Good morning, people. How are we doing? Well, I'm saying good morning. It might not be good morning. It's probably 6 or 7 o'clock in the afternoon if my analytics are anything to go by. But we are back in today with another day in the life type video. It's a bit of a bitty day, which I actually prefer. A couple of little jobs, and at the end of the day, we've got something really exciting happening. So I'm looking forward to that, but I will fill you guys in later on that one. We are off onto our first job, which is going to be hanging a door and changing a load of hinges on some other doors. So basically I'm just charging half a day's money for that, but I will disclose what that is at the end of the day, at the end of this video. Basically I will let you guys know what I've charged. So let's get over to that job. Right, people, we are here. Let's go in and get this done. We are here. So, one door to hang and 6 sets of hinges to change. So, not too bad. We haven't got a latch for the door, so I can't do that. He's going to fit that himself. So, let's get on with it. Just doing this little door here, little understairs cupboard one. Oh, look at this. They were packing the hinge into place. New one on me. That is job one done. So I'm going to park up round the corner because I'll turn that off. It is 11:30, so we was in there 2.5 hours, and we did. It was 7 doors changing the hinges, and that one door that I say hung. It weren't really hung, was it? I swung one door, but I'm just going to park up. Hang on 1 minute. I'll park up and I'll talk to you guys. Right, we are parked up round the corner. So yeah, it's 11:30, so I probably already said that. So we was in there 2.5 hours, so I don't think that was too bad. And I charged £150 for that. So that goes on to, so it's basically half a day's money, there or thereabouts. So yeah, I'm just going to eat some lunch, and Mrs. LTW's right sorted me out with some chicken sheesh. So I'm going to eat that. And then I'll get back to you guys. I'll probably get back to you guys when we get to the next job, rather than like doing a load of driving and talking. So I'll see you at the next job. Right, people, I've just pulled up to the second job. Well, been here a couple of minutes actually, but I can't remember if I've told you guys what this job is or not. So basically, really good customer of mine. She's just had new carpets throughout, and now obviously the doors are not opening properly. So we just need to whip the bottom off of 4 doors. So this is going to be a relatively quick one, nothing too serious. So let's jump in here and have a little look at this one. Right, guys. So here we are. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to do. So just going to go round. All I'm going to do, quite simply show you guys now, is get my pencil, scribe a line like that, and then we can whip the bottom off. Right, and that's that one done. Hopefully you guys can see me all right, because I've just dropped my camera. There's a little scratch on the sorry, on the lens cover, so hopefully if I do that you guys can see me all right. Thank you. But yeah, I've smashed the screen, which I'm not overly happy about, but what you're going to do anyway, I digress. So that is the second job done. Now normally I would be booking in, hang on, another job now, or another 2 probably, because we're only on, it's only 1:30. So yeah, normally I'd be booking another job in, or at least another 2 of them smaller jobs for the day. But like I said at the start of the video, I'm going to do something exciting for me anyway. So I'm going to see you guys over there. Hold fire. Right. They didn't want me recording in the shop, which is fair enough. But this is my favourite bike. Now, those of you that watch the channel for a while know that I'm really into my cycling. I love cycling, and this is my favourite bike. Now, don't get me wrong, I have other bikes, but this is my favourite bike, and it's been in for repair. I haven't had it for about 2 weeks, and I've been absolutely gutted. So that's why I stopped work early today, just so I can go and pick this up. It's had a few little things done. If anyone's interested, pop it down in the comments and I'll let you know a bit more about it. But I'm well happy to have this back. So there you go. I'm now going to go cycling, as you can imagine. But yeah, I'm going to close this video out now, guys. But just let you know, so obviously I did £150 for the job this morning. I did £60 for the job this afternoon, so that's £210 today. Like I said, I would have normally booked another job in, maybe 2 afterwards, and bumped that up to about the £300 mark. But like I said, I wanted to come pick this up. So yeah, you guys let me know in the comments what you think about that pricing. Was I fair? Was I on point with that? I think that's about right, to be honest. So yeah, not too bad considering, well, it's 2:30 now, but I've been in the shop for a little while. So yeah, you know, it's an early day, you know, £210. I don't think that's too bad. But there you go, guys. I'm going to leave it there. I want to say a massive thank you to my YouTube members. They're the guys you can see at the bottom of the screen there. They basically get additional videos, and I'm about to start talking about more pricing for the members, rather than like you guys know, I don't do a lot of pricing on the main channel. So it'll be going in members only videos. So yeah, you can go and check that if you want to do that. There's a link in the description, or just underneath the like button there'll be a join button there, so you can go and do that. Do me a favor, guys, so many people that watch my videos are not subscribed, and that's the biggest way you can support me at all, is just hitting that subscribe button. It's completely free to do. Hit that subscribe button, ding the bell, you'll be up to date with all of my videos. It really helps me out. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go and ride my bike. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.